Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous. Are you looking for beginning watercolor classes? I think I've developed a unique approach to watercolor that will work well for beginners and be a bit different twist for others who are enjoying watercolors already. In the last couple of years, I have my friends to thank for inviting me to come paint with them. We have had some delightful weekends at the beach to watercolor. What fun! One day, 3 of us sat on a park bench and painted our view of the beach in Del Mar. We've also been to Carlsbad and Crystal Cove, so a bit of plein air painting captured my attention and made me want to try more. Thank you, Barb, Cindy, Roz, and Chris. I started watching videos online, and I've been learning something from each one. I've been practicing and experimenting. From all that I'm learning, it is fresh in my mind as to where to start and what I've found most helpful. In one video, the artist started 4 small paintings on the same sheet of paper. He did the sky on each one, then the beach on each one, etc. This allowed the perfect drying time so he could circle back to the first one again. He usually did beautiful large paintings, but suggested this approach would be a good practice for improving skills, and then you could sell them as cards for a reasonable price because you could do them so quickly. I have enjoyed this approach, and I think you will too. Keep it small, practice, give some away, and keep some for a record of your progress. Online videos can be studied whenever you are ready from wherever you are. I love being able to pause, rewind, speed up, or give up and move on to another one that is more of interest to me. If you're on your laptop, look for the little gear icon at the bottom of the YouTube frame. It allows you to slow down or speed up.
Yeah, I talk real funny on double time.
But I'm a great fast talker at 1.25. I've often painted along with the video. When mine didn't turn out like theirs, I'd try to figure out what I was missing and then try it again and again. A student copying the classics is a traditional way to learn. You will find your own style along the way. Some video series rank them by level, and that is helpful. For example, when I was struggling with some beautiful roses, I realized that video was an advanced one, so I backed up to level 1 and worked my way along. That is why I have made a commitment to a weekly series that will walk anyone through step by step. The videos will be free, and whenever you discover them, you can start in or go back to the beginning. They will be numbered from 101 going forward. You can follow at any pace you like and watch them over again, or skip those of no interest. The camera will come in right up close, and you can see exactly what I'm doing as if you were at my elbow. If you enjoy doing creative things with friends, why not start a watercolor club? You can all watch the videos and learn together. If you have a way of bringing it up on your big screen, TV, you can host your friends, and then you can pause, fast forward as you like. Your group can take advantage of sharing the more expensive materials. This series would be great for grandparents and grandkids to do together. Kids may do even better than adults because they have less fear of trying new things. Seniors will find this hobby easy on their hands. So look for something every Friday in 2020. To make it easy to remember, I'm calling it Fran's Fabulous Fun Watercolor Series, starting on the first Friday in February 7th. To get us there and be ready for the first full 30 to 40 minute class, I'm doing these 15 short countdown videos. In the next couple of weeks, I will be explaining about each of the art materials that I will be using. This will be helpful reference information. You can go back to any of them at any time as well. You can take my suggestions or use what you have first. If you are missing something, consider what works best for me. I do hope you will subscribe and comment as suggested on any of these videos so that you can be in the drawings for fun giveaway prizes. Some prizes are small, others are grand, and will be explained along the way. Winners will be determined from comments made any time up through February 5th. A video will announce the winners February 7th of 2020. Winners must provide a U.S. address for prizes to be sent. Subscribe and ask your friends to join in with you. In your comment, give us the first names of 5 friends who might like to paint with you, and you will be in the drawing to win an incredibly valuable party pack of watercolor supplies for you and the 5 friends. This is the grand prize, let me tell you. Now next week, I will tell you about the most amazing watercolor paints.